Hey, I'm Lamp. This will be just a quick announcement video for my first mobile game that I released. It is called Just Another Tower Defense, and you can play it now on your Android phone from the Play Store. If you want to play it, you can play it now. It's actually been out for 2 months. I just didn't have the time to release a video about it, sorry. The game is a tower defense game made in Unity. For now it has only 5 levels, but I might add more in the future. And I just want to talk for a bit about the story for this game, why I decided to make it, and it is just because I have always liked tower defense games since I was a kid when I played a Flash game that really got me hooked on the genre. It was really simple, but I just couldn't stop playing it, and ever since mobile gaming has become a thing, I thought that this type of game might work really well for smartphones. You can finish a level in just a couple of minutes, and you don't need really precise movement that might be hard to achieve using touchscreens. A couple of years ago, I started learning game development in Unity, and about 1 year ago, I decided that it was a good time to start working on this small dream game of mine, and I'm really proud to say that it is done. So check it out if you want. The link is in the description, and thanks for watching.